Welcome to this guided visualization for self-healing. In this session, we will focus on harnessing the healing energy within you to support your journey in overcoming prostate cancer. Our minds are powerful tools. When we focus our thoughts and intentions, we can influence our physical well-being. Visualization can be particularly helpful when dealing with health challenges such as prostatic cancer. By creating vivid mental images, we can stimulate a healing response within the body. Find a comfortable place where you can relax, free from distractions, and allow yourself to be fully present in this moment. It doesn't matter if you are sitting or lying down as long as you are comfortable. Throughout this practice, remember that healing is a journey. As we begin, take a deep breath and let go of any tension or worries. Know that you are in a safe space where healing and transformation are possible. Through the power of your mind, body, and spirit, we will visualize the healing light of the universe working within you, restoring balance, strength, and vitality. In this guided visualization, it's important to understand how the prostate functions and how certain imbalances can lead to conditions like prostate cancer. Let's explore this together as part of our healing journey. The prostate is a small, walnut-shaped gland located just below the bladder in men. Its primary role is to produce prostatic fluid that nourishes and transports sperm. This fluid is a key component of semen, which is crucial for reproduction. The prostate surrounds the urethra, the tube through which urine and semen exit the body, so it also plays a role in urinary function. Prostate cancer occurs when the cells within the prostate begin to grow uncontrollably. Normally, cells in our body grow, divide, and die in a regulated manner. But in cancer, this process breaks down. Cancer cells keep growing and dividing, accumulating to form a mass or tumor. Over time, these cells can spread beyond the prostate to other parts of the body, which is known as metastases. Casein, a protein found in dairy products, has been linked to an increased risk of prostate cancer. Research suggests that high consumption of dairy, rich in casein, stimulates the production of insulin-like growth factor, IGF-1, a hormone that promotes the growth of cancer cells in the prostate. There is an abundance of non-dairy alternatives for everything from milk and yogurt to cheese and ice cream, and it is highly recommended that you substitute them for all dairy now. In our visualization, we will focus on the body's natural ability to restore balance, to stop its tendency for hypertrophy, and to function effortlessly and smoothly. We'll visualize the immune system recognizing and clearing out these abnormal cells, both in the prostate and in the blood, bringing your cell body back to a state of health and harmony. Along with additional suggestions and visualizations to alkalinize your body and release healing substances, your body will begin to effortlessly and continuously destroy all cancerous cells in your body. Let's begin. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And then slowly exhale, releasing any tension. Continue to breathe deeply and evenly, allowing your body to relax more with each breath. Feel the weight of your body sinking into the surface beneath you, letting go of any stress or worries. Imagine each breath as a wave gently washing over you, bringing calm and peace. Let go of thoughts about the past or future, focusing on now. Allow your mind to quiet down as you breathe deeply. Embrace this moment without judgment or expectation. Thoughts may arise. Acknowledge them and let them pass, for this is your time with your core being. Imagine a calm, clear pool of water, with thoughts as ripples dissipating. Sink deeper into calmness and peace. This is your time for healing and transformation. Embrace this moment with gratitude and openness. Visualize your prostate now. Imagine a warm, healing light enveloping your prostate and flowing through your blood. This light is filled with the energy of the universe, working tirelessly to repair and rejuvenate every cell, tissue, and organ, guiding you toward complete wellness. See this light shrinking the cancer cells as your higher self tirelessly searches your body, identifying any metastatic cells. Directing this healing light to any areas of metastases. Soak up this light and see the diseased cells shrinking, dying off, and being eliminated. Now let's deepen this visualization. Picture yourself in a serene landscape surrounded by peaceful nature. The air is fresh and you can hear the gentle sounds of birds singing and a nearby stream flowing. This is your healing sanctuary, a place where your body and mind can rejuvenate. Imagine the colors around you, the vibrant greens of the trees, the clear blue sky, and the sparkling water. Feel the soft grass beneath your feet and the gentle breeze on your skin. This place is vibrating with healing energy, and you can feel it nourishing every part of your being. As you stand in this beautiful place, imagine a warm, golden light surrounding your body. This light is filled with healing energy, and it begins to penetrate every cell in your body. Feel this light entering through the top of your head, moving down through your neck, shoulders, and arms, and then into your chest, abdomen, and legs. This healing light is cleansing and purifying every part of you. It is dissolving any blockages, removing any toxins, and restoring balance and harmony to your body. Feel the warmth and comfort of this light, knowing that it is supporting your healing journey. Bring your attention back to your prostate. This time, the light penetrates the cancerous cells like a directed energy weapon, zapping only the cancer cells in a very precise manner with no damage to the surrounding cells. Now see the ashes of the cancer cells being swept away, leaving only healthy pink, vibrant cells in their place. Feel the strength and resilience of your body, knowing that it has the power to heal and regenerate. Let's turn to nutrition, which is essential for healing the body. It provides the necessary nutrients and energy to support cellular repair, boost the immune system, and promote overall well-being. Imagine yourself eating a variety of colorful plant-based foods. These foods are rich in nutrients and antioxidants, providing your body with the fuel it needs to heal. As you eat these foods, your body becomes more alkaline, creating an environment where cancer cannot thrive. Feel the vitality and energy that comes from nourishing your body with these healing foods. Picture yourself enjoying these meals, savoring the flavors and textures, and feeling grateful for the nourishment they provide. See your body absorbing the nutrients, using them to repair and regenerate your cells. You are eating a plant-based diet and your body rapidly turns alkaline, starving cancer cells. As you continue to visualize these healing processes, allow yourself to feel a deep sense of joy and gratitude. Laughter and gratitude are powerful healing tools, releasing endorphins that soothe pain and uplift the spirit. Picture yourself laughing, feeling light and carefree. Let this joy fill every part of your being, knowing that it is contributing to your healing. Imagine the sound of your laughter echoing through your healing sanctuary, bringing even more healing energy into this space. Feel the warmth and happiness that comes from this joy, and let it spread throughout your entire body. Take a moment to affirm your healing. Repeat silently or out loud. My body knows how to heal itself, and I trust in its wisdom. I'm grateful for the healing taking place in my body right now. My immune system is powerful and vigilant as it restores balance and harmony within me. I am surrounded by love, strength, and the energy of complete well-being. Healing energy flows through my entire body, dissolving all illness. Feel the truth of these statements resonating within you, knowing that your body has an incredible capacity to heal. I release all fear and am grateful for my ongoing healing. Imagine these affirmations as seeds, planting them in the fertile soil of your mind, where they will grow and flourish, supporting your healing journey. Continue to breathe deeply and evenly, allowing these affirmations to sink into your subconscious mind. Feel the truth of these statements resonating within you. As we begin to bring this visualization to a close, take a few more deep breaths. With each inhale, feel the healing energy filling your body. With each exhale, release any remaining tension or negativity. You are anxious to return to this healing session each day, knowing that regular visualization meditation reinforces your body's natural healing processes. Daily practice reduces stress and anxiety, promoting a calm and positive mindset essential for healing. Visualization meditation strengthens your immune system, helping your body fight cancer more effectively. Returning to meditation daily helps maintain mental clarity and focus on your healing goals. Consistent practice fosters a positive outlook, which is crucial for resilience and well-being during treatment. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel and carry this sense of peace and healing with you throughout your day. Remember that you are healing, you are strong, and you are filled with joy and gratitude. Know that you are not alone and that there are many people who care about you and support you on this journey. Feel the love and support of those around you and let it strengthen and uplift you. You are healing. Remember that healing is a process and it takes time and patience. Be gentle with yourself and trust that your body knows how to heal. Take care of yourself and continue to nourish your body and mind with positive thoughts, healthy foods, and loving kindness. Trust in the process and know that you are supported every step of the way. Until tomorrow, enjoy each moment.